Now, how to use language models to supplement your study. So here I'm giving you an example of Google Gemini, and I have it configured so that it is fast. You have two options, well, depending on your pricing. So if it's the free option that you have, I think it's just fast in any case. So you have that open. Then ideally get your slides in advance, upload those, again, following copyright considerations, etc. Have that there, and then you will go to either your online workshop, your online course, or even the slides itself, review them. So for example, here I am now with some sample slides for the course that I am doing.
And if someone was tilted or in a very open seat to back angle, that's simply too much weight bearing on the neck.
So I want to find out, what is suboccipital? What does it mean? So I go back in to my personal tutor, in this instance Gemini, and I just simply state that. In the context of seating and head movement, what is suboccipital? And what are the pads for this? Full stop. I do not want you to hallucinate an answer, so if you don't know the answer, tell me that. And then I go over here, I press the play, and it takes a few seconds, and there we are. Refers to the inferior contact of the head. Again, I want you to explain it in layman's terms. There we go. Excellent. And then we can go back into our course and continue on accordingly. So that's where you're reinforcing the concepts. Any new terminology, formulas, etc. Now you have something in place to help you reinforce that. In terms of a strategy, what I would suggest you do is download the slides from your Canvas in advance of the class, upload them into your language model of choice, and then have it there, review your slides, read through them, you don't understand this, you don't understand that, and put that into Gemini. So when you go into the class then, you will have a background knowledge making the course and the class much more interesting, much more engaging, and reinforcing the learning for you. So that is it, and thank you for watching.